does he actually need to be blessed? Do you think he's in need of blessing?
He isn't in need of blessing. He is a donator of blessings all the time.
So guys, you've had your animals blessed. Now, what's the effect? I mean, what's going to happen? You know, tell me what the emotions are.
It made me cry.
It made me cry also, but it also
made him bleed.
Made him bleed because he scratched me because he was not happy.
Which one, Bob?
Bob was not happy.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he wanted to be left alone.
No one has ever said a prayer for me to ask the Lord to bless, protect, and defend me for all the days of my life. So I'm hoping some of Osa's rubs off on me.
You think?
Yeah.
Yeah, she was serious.
Oh yeah, well, yeah. Well, you know, there is the whole idea that we need all the help we can get, right? Right?
I certainly do.
Well, okay. Now, I need you to give. That's right. I need you to give Bruce a happy birthday and a big kiss.
Happy birthday.
There's a blessing right there.
Yeah.
Machaya.
What'd you say, Bruce?
Machaya.
Yeah, it's a Machaya. Well, yeah, and you know what? Actually, get close together. There is one thing I can say to you today on Bruce's birthday and the blessing of the animals.
Yes.
Which is appropriate for this setting.
Right.
Mazel tov.